5. I woke up at 7:30 today. Quite a disappointment because I promised myself to wake up at 6. I'm gonna definitely work on this. And now I have prepped my lunch. I had my breakfast. I had chia pudding. I keep swapping between eggs, avocado, and chia pudding. So today I had chia pudding. I did yoga with my DIY setup because I don't want to delay my workout for later. And I also have noticed like yoga really helps me remain calm and happy all day long. Doesn't let me crave anything stupid in between. So yes, I am working on my cravings also because I don't want to crave sweet things and ruin my diet. And what I've made for my lunch is some pumpkin, and I've packed my salad. Looks like this. Some nuts, pumpkin, eggs, lettuce and beetroot with orange vinaigrette dressing. I'm gonna take this. Also, one more thing, that I bought this green tea packet by Pakka or Puka, I don't know. In India, we would call it Pakka, and it's peppermint and licorice. It's actually sweet and does not have caffeine. At night, I get a lot of sweet cravings and I don't want to eat because I want to give my digestion rest. So I think I'm gonna invest in teas now, and that will help me remain like empty stomach at night and not eat late at night. So yes, this was quite good. I did not have anything after 7 p.m. I went for a walk, and plus slowly I'm gonna make my dinner more lighter and lunch a little heavier if I feel hungry. Otherwise, yeah, but I'm not gonna eat late at night. I'm telling you guys because the more I tell you guys, the more I commit to doing things. And yes, this works. This is sweet actually. And I haven't made my bed yet. I'm gonna make my bed and then go for a bath and quickly get ready because I have to go to the studio and reach around 12. And I always go a little early because I don't like the tension that you get. Oh, I have to come early. And also when I'm like awake up in the morning doing yoga, I also prepare my Pilates flow that I will help people, that I will that I will do in the studio. So yes, and plus again I have to post another video on fixing my posture after my class is done. Yes, I will see you guys then.
The final destination of this train is Center Point. The next station The next station is Financial Center.
Guys, I've come to my Pilates class and it will start in almost 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I just prepare mats and then wait for my clients to come. I think the dressing really sucks, but it turned out fine. I love creating recipes that I try on outside, like try in restaurants, then I try it myself. It's doable. Anyways, I will have my lunch and then we'll create video. If you guys don't know, I don't post on my personal channel. I post it on my FormClub. That is my Pilates page where I am trying to post every day to fix my posture. Yes. And I'm gonna eat this and then I'm going to tell you guys how I feel and maybe reflect upon the day. This is literally my dinner, my disciplined dinner that I'm eating. At why is my storage always full? I have to work on that. At 6:19 I'm going to have eggs and chai. Disciplined dinner that I'm going to have early. As soon as I came home, I had one boiled egg, and no, I was working, then I had one boiled egg. I thought, why not have like an early dinner? So I thought I should make my food very, very, very boring so that I'm not inclined towards eating so much, because I want to work honestly and focus on my work. Should be able to enjoy the most boring food. If you're hungry, even boiled eggs should taste nice. That's how I used to be. That's how I used to love myself. I still love myself when I cheat or like have burgers, pizzas. I've never had pizzas. But I think the balance is when I'm focused. For 21 days, I want to make food boring. I know you guys might be thinking, this girl is getting crazy every day. That's how badly I want things. Tea just makes everything and my mind calm. I'm not saying I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try. And when I say I'm going to try, I do it. I think in this diet, all I'm left with is, I don't want to talk with my mouth full, is fiber. For that, I can have cucumbers anytime, so I'm not concerned. But late night, I'm not gonna have anything. After finishing this, I'm done with my video. I will post my videos. I came for a walk after dinner because I think that really helps in my reflux. Plus, I wanted to get some fresh air. Hi guys, so I came for a walk. Apparently, I finished editing my video around 7:30. Then I was exhausted a little, so I had a word with my mom because I love talking to her. She is my bestest friend, and after talking to her, everything sorts of calmed down for me. So I thought I will go for a walk and edit my YouTube video. So meanwhile, I'm walking and I'm editing the video. I'm done with it almost, and I also feel like I'm multitasking so nicely. I want to have this habit where I can go for a walk and edit my video as well, so that I don't miss walking. Plus, I finished my dinner early, around 7:30, which was major goals, and I think the tea is really helping me finish early dinner, because I think I'm relying on the green tea, that I will head home and I will have a tea to rely upon for my hunger pangs. Trust me, I've done fasting for the longest and it has numerous benefits, but if you exaggerate it just like I did it for 24 hours 18 hours, this is not good for you when you are in your cycle, and women should respect their cycles, is what I think. I used to go against my hormones. I no longer do that. I respect my body. I love my body. The moment you become more spiritual, it's like you start believing that God is within you, a part of God, and you start respecting it. And meanwhile, I've also started believing that there's God present in everyone and you should respect everyone. So yes, that's what I've read last night, I'm learning so much with Bhagavad Gita, and I feel I'm gonna memorize it, live by it. Not going to say that I'm not going to adjust to the situations. I'm definitely going to think about, you should not cram something, just randomly blindly follow it. You should always use your logical brain as well, what is right in what situation. So I'm in blue waters anyways. Sorry, I just forgot to tell you guys, I'm in blue waters and walking. Walking or running is something, is like my dopamine comes from. I cannot run, but I will get my reflux fixed. I'm on a mission to do that. Then after that I can run as well. So yes guys, up till now I would say that's it. I will talk to you guys when I reach home and update you guys about today's day and how it went. Meanwhile, I'm gonna edit my YouTube vlog and gonna enjoy my walk. So I'm meal prepping in my induction for tomorrow, and I also have chopped veggies I will put in it, and I've also boiled eggs that are in the fridge. I will be done with this, then I will go for a bath. I filled the tub. I'm so excited. I will just add a bath bomb that I bought yesterday, and yes, I will cook, otherwise it will burn, and then get back to you guys in my bathtub. So guys, we're gonna use this bath bomb today from Momoso. Guys, I have a little bit of content thing left, so I'm gonna get in the tub so that I'm relaxed and still be able to do my work. And if it feels stressful, because I don't want to raise my cortisol levels at night, I want a good night's sleep, I will stop. I will just read a book and get to sleep, because I need to work out in the morning tomorrow. I have off and I need to shoot content as much as I can because it's an off and I can use it maximum. But I'm so happy my bath bomb is bombing. Yes. So guys, it's night now and I took a bath. I did my carousel post. I have moisturizer on, so don't feel weird. I also apply retinol at night so that my pimples, like marks, are gone. My hair is wet because I just took a shower. I think this is really helping me, that I have such a good realization that my cortisol levels were high, and that's what was causing night cravings. But I want to talk deeper about this, so we will keep this topic for tomorrow. And I'm going to read some verses from Gita. It's not a very positive time in here, but the more I'm saying mantras, verses, it's calming my brain. And honestly, that's the only thing that's keeping me sane right now. So I am so grateful that I found spirituality and I've stuck by it. I know when you are in your hard times, you just do a lot more of it, and when life is easy, you sort of forget it. So I want to be a person who never forgets who was there for me. My God, what will support you in long term is that makes you stronger alone. Maybe yes together, but alone as well. So choose a partner that supports you in your spirituality, your growth, and your nervous system. Don't ignore it. If you feel anxious with any of your friend, with your boyfriend, just think twice, thrice, because you can't regulate your nervous system. I have been there. Also, I got acne. Now, I'm not going to solely blame the relationship, but your body does tell you that I don't feel safe, and your gut does tell you. Also, I need to work upon my attachment style. I am an anxious attachment person, and yes, I feel insecure. My nervous system gets all out of hand once I'm with someone. So, definitely will work on that soon. I'm sort of trying to, but I'm gonna close my day with reading some verses. And I did not read in the morning, to be honest, and I'm going to compensate it by reading 2-3 pages of Atomic Habits also, and journal that how did my day went. And if I'm not able to finish my work before 9, that means I'm not efficient. No, I need to be efficient. My focus needs to be more focused. So I think meditation really helps you focus. I'm going to focus on that. A lot of focus happening. The more I meditate, the more control I have over my brain. That's all you need. You need to control your brain. Once you tell something, let it be, let it trust you with it. The moment you gain that kind of control, nothing can stop you. Nothing in this world can stop you to be successful. At this very note, guys, I'm gonna end this video because I'm not gonna touch my phone after this. I have to sleep. I can't ruin my melatonin level. I hope I'm saying it right. Yes, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I just want to tell you guys, the more of you guys are watching, the more I feel supported in these moments. And I really appreciate you guys watching my video. And in case you want to drop a comment for me, talk to me, and just don't be shy, because I'm reading all of them and you matter a lot to me. Because in these times, if I thought of filming this and somebody's there watching it, getting motivated, or just being a part of my journey, that means a lot to me.